Good day, everyone. I still remain Mr. Ruben Official, CEO, Mr. Ruben Official YouTube channel. I'll be dedicating you guys all 2022 UTME Jam Bite because your exam will be starting earliest on Friday. I want to notify every one of you that there are a list of items which you are to come to the exam venue. Please try as much as possible to be at the exam venue 1 hour to your exam. And here are the list of items which you are allowed to come with. Number 1, nose mask to observe COVID-19 protocols. 2, pencil. That's for those people offering subjects that requires calculation. 3 is your examination main notification slip which contains your venue, date and time. Thanks. As remember, Cerebral Official, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And I want all Jambai to strictly follow this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be educating you guys on more. Thanks.